Hello, guys. Welcome to Wikividya. I'm Tanya, and today I'll be discussing the fourth chapter from the Flamingo book, The Rat Trap. The author of this story is Selma Lagerlof. She has written many stories, and all of them are based on the belief that with proper understanding and love, we can bring out the goodness in any person. Once there was a man who used to sell rat traps. He used to make them himself from whatever raw material he got from begging in the stores or big farms. But इससे वो इनफ पैसे नहीं कमा पाता था, so he had to beg or steal in order to survive. He used to roam the streets alone and had no company. एक दिन वो सोचता है कि ये पूरी दुनिया एक बड़ा सा रैट ट्रैप है. ये लोगों को खाना, पैसे और शेल्टर जैसी चीजों की लालच देता है, and as soon as anyone touches the bait, it closes in on him and everything ends. One evening, when the man was walking along a street, he saw a little grey cottage and knocked on the door to ask shelter for the night. वो घर एक बूढ़े आदमी का था जो अकेला रहता था. उसने सोचा उसे भी कुछ कंपनी मिल जाएगी और उसने उसे अंदर आने दिया. The old man gave him some food and they played with an old pack of cards. उस बूढ़े आदमी ने उसको बताया कि वो पहले रैम्स्टो आयरन वर्क्स के लिए काम करता था, बट अब क्योंकि वो काम नहीं कर सकता था, वो अपनी काऊ का मिल्क सेल करके पैसे अर्न करता था. उसने उसे बताया कि उसे लास्ट मंथ 30 क्रोनो मिले हैं. क्रोनो इज द करेंसी ऑफ स्वीडन. And when the rat trap seller couldn't believe, the old man showed him 3 wrinkled 10 chrono bills from the leather pouch hung on the window frame. अगले दिन the rat trap seller leaves and वो बूढ़ा आदमी घर लॉक करके अपनी काऊ को मिल्क करने चला जाता है. But after half an hour, the rat trap seller returns and वो विंडो तोड़कर उस लेदर पाउच से मनी निकाल कर भाग जाता है. उसने सोचा कि रोड पर चलना रिस्की है, इसलिए वो एक फॉरेस्ट में चला जाता है. बट कुछ टाइम के बाद उसे रास्ता समझ नहीं आता है क्योंकि वो फॉरेस्ट बहुत बड़ा था. अब उसे अपनी खुद की थ्योरी याद आती है कि दिस एंटायर वर्ल्ड इज अ रैट ट्रैप. Now he realizes that he had caught the bait and was now stuck in the forest and couldn't escape. रात होते होते वो बहुत थक गया था. Suddenly he hears the voice of hammer strokes coming from an iron mill. वो अपनी पूरी हिम्मत लगाकर उस आवाज की तरफ बढ़ने लगता है. He reaches the Ramsjo Iron Works. वहाँ 2 लोग फर्नेस के पास काम कर रहे थे एंड इतनी आवाज में उन्होंने ध्यान नहीं दिया कि ये रैट ट्रैप सेलर अंदर आया और फर्नेस के पास खड़ा हो गया. उसने रात को वहां रहने की परमिशन मांगी एंड द ब्लैकस्मिथ अग्रीड. जस्ट देन द आयरन मास्टर हु ओन्ड रामस्टो आयरन वर्क्स केम इन फॉर हिज नाइटली इंस्पेक्शन. उसने रैट ट्रैप सेलर को देखा एंड उसे लगा कि वो उसका पुराना फ्रेंड है. रैट ट्रैप सेलर ने भी कुछ नहीं कहा क्योंकि उसने सोचा कि मे बी वो उसे अपना पुराना फ्रेंड समझकर कुछ पैसे दे दे. The Iron Master says that he shouldn't have resigned from the regiment and asks the rat trap seller to come home with him. The rat trap seller thinks about the stolen money and declines the offer. आयरन मास्टर को लगता है कि वो embarrassed फील कर रहा है and tries to convince him by saying that his wife has died and both of his sons are abroad and only his daughter is at home for the Christmas celebrations. बट जब वो रैट ट्रैप सेलर नहीं मानता है तो वो अपनी डॉटर को भेजता है उसे लाने के लिए. Half an hour later, the Iron Master's daughter came, followed by a valet carrying a big fur coat. She introduced herself as Edla Wilmanson and said that she was sorry that he was having a hard time. उसने देखा कि वो डरा हुआ था जैसे उसने कुछ चोरी किया हो या वो जेल से भाग गया हो. उसने कहा कि वो सिर्फ क्रिसमस ईव के लिए घर चले एंड वो जब चाहे वहां से जा सकता है. The rat trap seller agreed and they went home. The next morning, the Iron Master asked his daughter to feed him well and decided to look for a better job for the rat trap seller. When the rat trap seller entered the room, he was well groomed and wore the Iron Master's clothes. Now the Iron Master realizes कि वो rat trap seller उसका पुराना दोस्त नहीं था and he threatened to take him to the police. Rat trap seller गुस्सा करता है and कहता है कि this entire world is a trap and one day even the Iron Master would be trapped in it. The Iron Master decides not to call the sheriff and asks him to leave. पर उसकी डॉटर कहती है कि उन्होंने ही उसे क्रिसमस ईव के लिए इनवाइट किया है और वो सुबह से उसके लिए खाना बना रही है. She wanted him to enjoy a day of peace with them. Just one day in the whole year. The Iron Master was hesitant but agreed, and she took him to the table to eat. He slept peacefully the entire day and was only woken up for lunch and when the Christmas tree was lighted in the evening. Dinner करने के बाद, he went to the Iron Master and his daughter to say thank you. The daughter told him कि उसने जो Iron Master के कपड़े पहने हैं, वो as a Christmas present उसे रख सकता है. और अगर अगली क्रिसमस उसे किसी पीसफुल प्लेस में बिना किसी डर के सेलिब्रेट करना हो, तो he would be welcomed back again. अगले दिन रैट ट्रैप सेलर सो रहा होता है जब आयरन मास्टर और उसकी डॉटर चर्च जाते हैं, जहां उन्हें पता चलता है कि एक रैट ट्रैप सेलर एक बूढ़े आदमी के पैसे चोरी करके भाग गया. जब वो घबरा कर घर पहुंचते हैं तो देखते हैं कि वो रैट ट्रैप सेलर जा चुका है, बट वो कुछ लेकर नहीं गया था. इंस्टेड वो उनके लिए एक पैकेज छोड़कर गया था जिसमें एक रैट ट्रैप था along with the stolen money and a note for the daughter. He did not want her to be embarrassed by a thief and requested her to return the money to the old man. He said that the rat trap is a Christmas present from a rat who would have been caught in this world's rat trap if he had not been raised to captain, because in that way he got power to clear himself. This was the summary of the story that teaches us to do good and to see good in others no matter the circumstances. Let us now look at the previous year question papers. The question asked in the year 2020 was, how was the peddler welcomed in the iron mill? The answer would be, it was nothing unusual for poor vagabonds without any better shelter for the night to be attracted to the forge by the glow of light and to come in to warm themselves in front of the fire. The blacksmith glanced only casually and indifferently at him. He asked for permission to stay, and the blacksmith gave him a nod without saying a single word. The question asked in the year 2019 was, how did the crofter tempt the peddler to steal his money? How did it change the peddler's life? The crofter had told the peddler that by supplying his cow's milk to the creamery, he had received 30 krono in payment. The peddler seemed to doubt it. So in order to assure his guest of the truth, he showed the 30 krono to the peddler. This tempted him to steal it. He would have been caught in this world's rat trap if he had not been raised to captain by the Iron Master's daughter. This way he got the power to clear himself, and this changed his life. The question asked in the year 2018 was, what do we learn about the crofter's nature from the story The Rat Trap? The answer would be, the crofter let the rat trap seller spend the night at his house and also offered him some food to eat and tobacco to smoke. This shows that the crofter was a very kind man. The question asked in the year 2017 was, the peddler believed that the whole world is a rat trap. How did he himself get caught in the same? The answer would be, the peddler believed that the whole world was nothing but a big rat trap. It existed only to set baits for people by offering them riches, joys, shelter, food, and clothing, just as the rat trap offered cheese and pork. And as soon as someone let himself be tempted to touch the bait, it closed in on him, and everything came to an end. When he stole the money from the crofter and ran into a forest, he realized that he himself had caught the bait, and now he is trapped in the forest with no escape. The question asked in the year 2016 was, how did the peddler betray the confidence and faith reposed in him by the crofter in the rat trap? The answer would be the peddler did not respect the confidence reposed in him by the crofter. At the first opportunity that he got, he smashed the window pane, took out the money, and hung the leather pouch back in its place. Then he went away. That's all for this lesson, guys. Stay tuned for the next lesson. I have also provided the entire question paper for the last 5 years in the description box below. You can check them out. You can also connect with me through email or through Facebook or Instagram. I'll mention everything in the description box. For any queries or feedback, do leave a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, do like, subscribe, and share it. And also hit that bell button so you are notified every time I post a new video. Bye.